Hello viewers, welcome to Andy Racer TV, and today we're here at the brand new K1 Speed in Orlando, Florida. We'll be showing you guys the track layouts, what kind of karts you'll be driving, as well as giving you guys onboard videos so you guys can see how the track drives. I'm your host, Andrew Perez Jr., and this is Rental Kart Super Tour. K1 Speed Orlando not only has the rental karts, but on certain nights they have glow nights as well as drift nights. And they have a K1 Speed lounge so you can get a quick bite with great views of the track. Speaking of the track, let's go ahead and check it out. K1 Speed offers one track which is split between the cadet and adult drivers. This track contains 15 turns in total and a couple of challenges for drivers to overcome, including 3 hairpins on turns 1, 8, and 10, and a series of S's for turns 12 through 15. For a brand new track, average fast lap times around the track is mid to high 24-second lap times, such as 24.4 to 24.8. Now, let's take a look at what you'll be driving. K1 Speed uses OTO Storm karts. These are electric power karts capable of speeds up to 45 miles an hour. With their 20 horsepower motors, you have instant power out of the corners. These karts have 4 regulated speeds, from speed 1 being the slowest to speed 4 being the fastest. These karts come with racing slicks, so you have all the grip you need to attack the corners. The seats are designed to hold even the biggest person in your party. If the seat is too big, ask a track marshal for a foam insert so you can fit snug in your kart. Make sure to properly put on and tighten your 4-point harness to protect you from any crash. And now you're ready to go. Now join me as we go on board for a couple of laps around K1 Speed Orlando's track. Due to K1 Speed policy, no action cameras such as GoPro or recording devices are allowed on track. If you want to record your experience on track, you will need to purchase a viewpoint camera, which is an extra charge of $5 per race. After you finish your session, you will be given a receipt with a code so you can view and download your video later. If you are set on speed 3, this track is full throttle the entire time, as long as you steer the kart smoothly. But if you are on speed 4, going into turn 8, I like to tap the brakes just to settle the kart. Make sure you're all the way to the left side of the track on corner entry so you can use up all the space. Hit late apex and don't push out on corner exit. Staying close to the right side on corner exit allows you to carry more speed into and out of the turns 9, 10, and 11. Our next challenge is the series of S's turns for turns 12 to 15. On each turn, let off the throttle completely when hitting the apex. This will allow your kart's weight to shift to the front and allow you to turn easily, as well as keeping the kart settled. Once your kart is pointed where you want it to go, get back on the throttle and prepare to get back off again in the next apex. Just like the name implies, the S's is supposed to be taken like if you were drawing the letter S on the track. For turn 15, make sure to hit late apex so you can avoid hitting the barrier on exit, since it is the most narrow part of the track. Once you're done with your session, a track marshal will slow down the karts and escort you into the pit area. Make sure you place the right or left side wheels on the white line and move all the way up behind the next kart. Remain seated in the kart until a track marshal gives you the green light to step out of your kart.
Alrighty, racer, you're good to go.
On your way out, don't forget to get a quick bite to eat at the K1 Speed Lounge, or enjoy playing some games in the arcade, or even challenge your friends to bowling. Well, that concludes our visit here today at the brand new K1 Speed in Orlando, Florida. If you like what you saw, hit the like button down below, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so you could always be notified whenever we post another video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.